A charismatic magician introduces a timeless card switch, showing how quick hands and audience expectation turn a routine reveal into a moment of surprise. The lesson unfolds through psychology of attention and misdirection, explaining why spectators misread micromovements and focus on the wrong cue. Demonstration follows with a chosen card seemingly appearing where it should not, while the audience's belief is gently guided by tempo and angle. Historical notes trace the switch from conjuring parlors to modern stagecraft and its cultural resonance in storytelling magic. The episode concludes by inviting beginners to practice the move with safe handling and ethical performance.